Good day. Let us talk about revival. What's the meaning of it? What's the true meaning of revival? It's simply another word for refreshment or for restoration. Psalm 80 verse 19 says, Then we will not turn back from you. Revive us, and we will call upon your name. Restore us, O Lord of hosts. Cause your face to shine, and we shall be saved. And Psalm 85 verse 6 says, Will you not revive us again? Will you not restore us, in other words, that your people may rejoice in you? Revival carries with it the idea of returning something to its original condition. Think of someone who buys a beat-up old car from a scrapyard. They do the body work, they repaint it, they drop a new engine in it, they put new tires on, etc. And when you see it cruising down the road, you can hardly believe it's the same car. That's called a restoration. Revival is a spiritual equivalent of that kind of restoration. A spiritual revival is when God's people come back to life again because they have been refreshed, they've been refilled, they've been restored to their original condition. For the church, which is the spiritual center of every nation, being restored to their original condition would resemble the description of Paul and Silas that we find in Acts 17 verse 6, where they said, These two who have turned the world upside down have come here too. The church is meant to impact the world, not to be impacted by the world. The church is meant to shine a light in the darkness of this world. Let us pray earnestly for revival. God bless you.